If you like baking pies from scratch, I have got the perfect recipe for you. This is a 3-ingredient ginger snap pie crust. It can be baked or frozen, it can be filled with lots of different fillings, and this is the perfect versatile pie crust. And it's really awesome because all you need are 3 ingredients and a food processor. To the food processor, add your ginger snap cookies. You'll have to play around to find out what kind of ginger snap cookies you love because each have sort of a unique flavor. Next, add your brown sugar and blend everything up. You're looking for a sand-like texture, something that doesn't have too many large chunks but isn't too fine. Kind of that in between is perfect. From here, we're going to stream in our melted butter. This is really going to help the crust form together and stick when we put it in the pie plate. At this point, if the crust appears dry, you can add some additional melted butter about 1 tablespoon at a time until you achieve this consistency. This recipe calls for a 9-inch pie plate, but you could stretch it to a 10-inch pie plate if needed. Make sure that it's ungreased, and then from here, pour in your crumbs and begin pressing them down with your hands. After you form a rough shape, we're going to go in with a dry measuring cup and begin to really pat down all of the edges and the bottom of the crust. This is going to help everything stay nicely in place. Now from here you have two options. You can either bake the crust at 350 for 7 to 10 minutes, or you can throw it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Depending on whether you have a no-bake or bake pie, this will determine the method you use.